It's no secret that Big Pharma is big business. Americans spend hundreds of billions on prescription medications every year, with that figure projected to keep growing. And now a new report shows that the top-selling brand-name prescription drugs in the US earn more than $60 billion a year for their manufacturers, with the biggest moneymaker topping $13 billion per year in sales on its own. Axios compiled a handy chart of the top 20 top-selling drugs in the US in 2016, based on data from the Quintella Sims Institute. The figures, Axios notes, are pure gross figures, and so don't reflect what individuals or their insurers are paying, and don't include any negotiations, discounts, rebates, coupons, or promotions. Still, they show a clear pattern of how many billions of dollars the top blockbuster drugs are bringing in. Below is some more information on the 10 biggest earners in the US prescription drug business. Combined, they represent more than $60 billion a year in sales. Only 3 of these drugs have generic versions available. Some of them have generic versions that could be released but are being held up by lawsuits. In terms of the ailments treated by these pharmaceutical moneymakers, rheumatoid arthritis shows up most frequently, followed by diabetes. 1. Humira adalimumab, $13.6 billion. Manufacturer AbbVie introduced 2003, granted FDA approval December 31, 2002. Treats first introduced to treat rheumatoid arthritis, now also prescribed for psoriatic arthritis, juvenile idiopathic arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, plaque psoriasis, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. Currently costs $49,752 to $58,044 per year. PDF generic available. No. The FDA approved a biosimilar drug, Amjevita, from Amgen in late 2016. However, AbbVie sued Amgen over it, claiming patent infringement. Due to that ongoing litigation, Amgen executives have said not to expect their product to ship until 2018 at the earliest. 2. Harvoni ledipasvir $10 billion. Manufacturer Gilead introduced 2014, granted FDA approval October 10, 2014. Treats hepatitis C, currently costs $94,500 for 12-week regimen, $113,400 to $226,800 per year. PDF generic available. No. Harvoni is the specific combination of 2 drugs, ledipasvir and sofosbuvir. Generic drug company Mylan, after entering a deal with Gilead, has launched a generic equivalent in India, but it is not currently approved for sale in the US. 3. Enbrel etanercept $7.4 billion. Manufacturer Amgen introduced 1998, granted FDA approval November 2, 1998. Treats first introduced as to treat rheumatoid arthritis, now also prescribed for psoriatic arthritis, juvenile idiopathic arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and plaque psoriasis. Currently costs $49,762 to $62,202 per year. PDF generic available. No. In August 2016, the FDA approved a biosimilar drug Erelzi made by Novartis. However, as with the generic version of Humira, this drug is being held up because Novartis is being sued for alleged patent infringement by Amgen. That legal action is expected to delay any biosimilar to Enbrel from hitting the market until 2018 at the earliest, and possibly not until 2029. 4. Lantus Solostar insulin glargine $5.7 billion. Manufacturer Sanofi Aventis introduced 2000, granted FDA approval April 20, 2000. Solostar is specifically an automatic pen-style delivery mechanism, treats diabetes, currently costs approx. $75 per pen. Annual dosing varies widely. 1 pen may last from less than a day to more than a week. Generic available. Yes. The FDA approved the biosimilar Basaglar, made by Eli Lilly, in December 2015. At launch, Basaglar was priced at 15% less than Lantus. 5. Remicade infliximab $5.3 billion. Manufacturer Johnson & Johnson introduced 1998, granted FDA approval August 24, 1998. Treats Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, psoriasis, psoriatic arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and rheumatoid arthritis. Currently costs $39,223 per year. PDF generic available. Yes. The FDA has approved 2 biosimilars to Remicade, Inflectra, in April 2016, and Renflexis, in April 2017. The 2 are made by Pfizer and Merck, respectively. 6. Januvia Sitagliptin, $4.8 billion manufacturer Merck introduced 2006, gained FDA approval October 17, 2006, treats diabetes currently costs price varies widely by dose anywhere from $8 to $15 per pill generic available number 7. Advair Discus Fluticasone Almeterol, $4.7 billion manufacturer GSK introduced 2000 gained FDA approval August 24, 2000 treats asthma, COPD, and other respiratory issues currently cost price varies widely depending on formulation, and dosage varies from person to person. Price for one inhaler is approximately between $230 and $370. Generic available no. Competitor Hikma did apply for approval for a generic, however, its application was denied earlier this year, as was another potential generic version from Mylan. Neither is expected to reach market before 2018 at the earliest. 8. Lyrica Pregabalin $4.4 billion manufacturer Pfizer introduced 2005 gained FDA approval December 30, 2004 treats nerve pain, including from fibromyalgia, diabetes, or shingles epilepsy generalized anxiety disorders currently cost price varies 60 capsules supply runs approx. $500. Generic available no. In 2014, Pfizer won a lawsuit blocking the entry of a generic competitor to Lyrica onto the market until December 2018 at the earliest. 9. Crestor Rosuvastatin $4.2 billion manufacturer AstraZeneca introduced 2003 gained FDA approval August 13, 2003 treats high cholesterol statin currently costs price varies an average of around $170 for 30 tablets. Generic available. Yes. The FDA approved the first generic version of Crestor in April 2016. 10. Neulasta Pegfilgrastim $4.2 billion manufacturer Amgen introduced 2002 gained FDA approval January 31, 2002 treats reduces the chance of infection in patients undergoing chemotherapy currently costs $23. $5,900 per year's PDF generic available no. Novartis applied to have a biosimilar drug approved, but that application was rejected in 2016. Sales figures via Axios.com. Was this helpful? We're a non-profit. You can get more stories like this in our twice-weekly ad-free newsletter. Click here to sign up.